So the next type of the cell, machine cell, is also called as a flexible manufacturing system. A flexible manufacturing system is very important in nowadays. Why it is important? First of all, let us understand the concept of flexible manufacturing system. It is a production method that is designed to adapt the changes in the type and quantity of product being manufactured. So once again I am reading this statement. A flexible manufacturing system is a production method that is designed to adapt changes in the type and quantity of the product being manufactured. So machines and computerized systems can be configured to manufacture a variety of parts and handle changing levels of production. Now we will discuss this concept a little bit ahead. So in flexible manufacturing system, we can make the changes in the production process very easily. We can make the changes in the quantity of product being manufactured. For example, you want to manufacture 1000 component, and suddenly it is decided to reduce the quantity of manufacturing. So you want to manufacture 600 component instead of 1000 components. So in that case you can reduce the quantity of manufacturing, and vice versa. Instead of 1000 component, now you want to manufacture 2000 components. That changes you can do very easily. So underline this word, changes, very easily. Because of changing the system very easily, it is called as a flexible manufacturing system. This is very important in manufacturing process nowadays. Now what it consists of, these points also we will see now. It consists of several flexible automated machine tools which are interlinked by automatic material handling and movement system. In flexible manufacturing system, obviously number of machines are interlinked together by automatic material handling system and movement system. So obviously it is required. One thing you understand, whenever you want to reduce the time of manufacturing, you want to increase production rate, you need to reduce the time of material handling. This is very important step, very important parameter in manufacturing process. In manufacturing process, two machines are interlinked by a vehicle path. For example, you want to transfer one raw material from one machine to the another machine. There is a path between two machines which is defined, and through this path automated guided vehicles may transfer the raw material, or conveyors are used to transfer the material. So material handling system is fully automatic in case of flexible manufacturing system. Then and then only it is possible to make changes in flexible manufacturing system very easily. Later on we will discuss one diagram. It can handle wide variety of dissimilar parts. So underline this word, dissimilar parts. See, we have seen the types of automation probably in last lecture, I think. Fixed automation, soft automation, and this is a flexible type of automation. So in one setup you need to manufacture wide variety of products. आपको अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स मैन्युफैक्चर करने हैं, और वो जो प्रोडक्ट्स है उनके फीचर्स बहुत अलग है, उनका साइज अलग होगा, उनका शेप भी है वो भी अलग है. तो अलग अलग शेप साइज के कंपोनेंट जब आप मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो तो उसके लिए आपको सेटअप में फिर से चेंजेस करने पड़ते हैं, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. So in flexible manufacturing system, this case is avoided. You can manufacture wide variety of parts, dissimilar parts. The word is used dissimilar parts. It means that their characteristics are different. Manufacturing operations related to that products are different. Size is different, shape is different, etc. And you can do the manufacturing in flexible manufacturing system. So wide variety of dissimilar parts you can handle. This is very important in FMS. And producing them in small numbers, even one at a time in a random. Say if there is a manufacturing of, say, a shaft, you are manufacturing a shaft, and that shaft is a solid shaft. Now you want to manufacture hollow shaft instead of solid shaft. You can easily go for that, and randomly you can go for that. If you have decided to manufacture 1000 solid shaft and suddenly there is an order of manufacturing hollow shaft, you can directly go for that thing also. So this is greatly possible in FMS only. I am repeating my sentence. This is only possible in FMS only. You can suddenly put a different type of component in manufacturing process and you can manufacturing it. So you can break the link of previous manufacturing part and you can insert new part and you can manufacturing. तो ये जो सिर्फ होता है वो फ्लेक्सिबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम में ही होता है. अगर आप नट मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हो तो उस प्रोसेस के बीच में आप बोल्ट्स भी मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हो. सो FMS अलाउज यू टू चेंज द टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एट एनी टाइम randomly. So therefore sometimes flexible manufacturing system is also called as a random flexible manufacturing system. Because of these characteristics, flexible manufacturing system is also called as a random flexible manufacturing system. Another property of flexible manufacturing system is that this system is able to respond quickly to any changes required. Suppose you want to interchange some machines, you want to interchange some tools, you want to interchange some gauging devices or any kind of manufacturing facilities which are required during manufacturing process. Easily you can change them, and these changes will be only beneficial for manufacturing system. These changes will not make any kind of manufacturing loss. This is also property of FMS. Obviously flexible manufacturing system is very costly. See, flexible manufacturing system is not just a manufacturing process, it is a complete management related to manufacturing process. So please understand this. You can do any change in the system very quickly. As I told you, you can manufacture solid shaft instead of hollow shaft, you can manufacture hollow shaft instead of solid shaft. You can do it very easily and quickly you can do it. So this easily and quickly, and also these changes will be definitely beneficial to FMS. तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि FMS जो है वो वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकता है. वो FMS कौन सा भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जो चेंज होता है वो भी अडेप्ट कर सकता है, और उसमें जो मटेरियल हैंडलिंग सिस्टम है, मटेरियल का मूवमेंट सिस्टम है, वो भी ऑटोमेटिक होता है. अभी एक डायग्राम जो है वो हम देख रहे हैं. Now in this diagram you can see these are the different machines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, almost there are 12 machines, and these machines are interlinked by this path. So these lines you are watching here, oval type of lines, these lines are path. We can call it as a vehicle track. These vehicle tracks are used for transportation of raw material from one machine to second machine to third machine to fourth machine. Why these vehicle tracks are there? Because you can fastly transfer the material from one machine to the another machine, and these stations are used to load the raw material to unload the finished product. Is, for example, from machine number 1 raw material is loaded, it will go to 2 3 4 and so on up to 12th number machine, and then it is unloaded. So this is just one a layout which shows the picture of a flexible manufacturing system. Now here you can see there is a computer room where the computers are located for executing different part programs to operate each and every machine. There is a tool room which stores different types of tools required in manufacturing process. There is an inspection room which inspect proper execution of manufacturing plan. So inspection room, tool room, these are having different functions, or which plays, I will say, very important role in manufacturing process. See, basically you can see this chart is this chart represent DNC, that is direct numerical control system. This chart represents direct numerical control system. There is only one computer room, and which is used to operate all types of machines or machine tools. So flexible manufacturing system, in short, we can understand it is heavy but it is flexible, it is costly but it is efficient. This is the specialty of flexible manufacturing system. See, if you visit any kind of automobile industry which manufactures the different parts of automobile, there you will observe flexible manufacturing system. See, I am not talking about complete vehicle manufacturing. I am talking about manufacturing of all parts, different parts, parts of shock absorber, parts of rear axle, front axle, or different small gearboxes, different small gears, types of gears. So there is a variety of product in a single automobile. So these can be manufactured by using flexible manufacturing system. See, most of the time there is a question in the examination. If you observe of previous year question papers, you will see this question: explain flexible manufacturing system with an example. So you need to draw the diagram. This is just a diagram, a schematic diagram for understanding concept of FMS. So FMS, you shortly just remember this. FMS is fully automatic. It is a flexible, obviously wide variety of products you can manufacture in FMS, and you can do any kind of changes in this manufacturing system. Suppose you want to move the second number machine to the fourth number machine, you can do it easily. So there are many advantages as you can understand from this concept itself. So I request you to go through the YouTube lecture once again and watch it again and again, so you can write in exam properly. So in examination I require this diagram with proper nomenclature. So thank you very much for listening this concept. So in the next lecture we will go through the CAPP, computer aided process planning. Thank you.